Welcome everyone to Weekly News and DW with Major Tidbits, and the topic for this video is Teaching Allowance Dinoble. Nilagdaan ni President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. ang Republic Act No. 1197 o ang pinangalan ng Kabalikat sa Pagtuturo Act. Sometimes it's hard to speak. Ang RA 1197 o ang pinangalan ng Kabalikat sa Pagtuturo Act na magdodoble sa mga teaching allowance ng ating mga publikong guro from 5,000 pesos to 10,000 pesos para sa school year 2025 to 2026 at not subject to tax. So, you know, that's good. Sinasabing kulang-kulang or sinasabing kulang-kulang 1 milyon ang magbibigyan ng ganitong allowance. I don't know why I keep stumbling upon my word. Pero yun nga. This would greatly reduce the stress at syempre financial constraint of having to buy their own supply, hoping nakakasya ito sa 5,000 pesos na iaalat or inalat ng gobyerno, especially before 2021, bago itinaas ang teaching allowance sa mga supply ng mga gurong nagtuturo sa ating mga pampublikong paaralan. Now, maybe sa kanilang bagong allowance, makakabili sila ng speaker na maingay yung, di ba yung may parang lapel sila dito, tapos may maliit na dito, speaker. Tapos, yung mga Filipino teachers, alam niyo, ayun na nga, may makakabili sila ng speaker na maingay na yung the Bluetooth, pero para labanan yung ingay ng 50 to 60 students in one classroom. So, pero yun na nga, this is a great step in the right direction para naman mapakita natin at ng ating gobyerno yung pagpapahalaga sa ating mga magigiting na guro. Maybe sa susunod, dadagdagan na rin ang kanilang mga sahod instead of, say, giving it to a confidential fund for the education secretary, di ba? You know, 150 million, because they almost passed that. If the people didn't have some reservations in the 150 million peso confidential fund of the Department of Education, well, this could have been a little bit different. Now, of course, maraming nagsasabi, or at least maraming grupo ng mga guro ang nagsasabi na, you know, this should be a lot larger. They said, some people actually said that they wanted it to be around 25,000 pesos kasi nga, yung dating mga inaabono ng teacher, you know, kailangan ma-reimburse sila in this kind of way. But, you know, baby steps. And you know, this is actually not a baby step. This is like them taking their first leap and landing on their feet. Kahit na, you know, it's like 2 inches of jump, it's still a jump, and a pretty big one at that. You know, dinoble yung teaching allowance para sa mga materyales at abono ng mga guro. Ang video clip na ito ay galing sa aking series na News and Worthy Recap. Check the entire video for the complete weekly news recap and subscribe to the channel to be kept up to date sa mga local at global news na I'll make sure would be interesting to you particularly. Di ko alam yung name mo, pero you should subscribe. You... Muhammad Smith? I don't fucking know. John Smith? Salamat sa manunod mga kabayan. Avoid me, like, subscribe, follow my links in socials and avoid shows that would be linked down below. Sa susunod muli, of course, paalam.